What word describe this NPTEL workshop which you have come to attend?
Um, let's see. Actually, we just had breakfast and we directly came here. I hope it goes well.
So, are you happy that you were called to this workshop?
Yes, I'm extremely happy.
So, what would you say to your fellow students that why they should become NPTEL stars and come to this workshop?
First of all, coming to IIT is any BTech student aspire to be an IIT, since I could not qualify the exam, I at the final at last I got chance to come to IIT. I am happy.
So, what is your quick message to our NPTEL team? What would you like to say to us?
To you. And I would like to only thank you for giving the opportunity to at least visit the IIT, if not study.
Hello, sir. Could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
My name is Atesh Kumar and I'm from Sage University, Bhopal, and I took a 4 NPTEL courses which was very interactive and it was very good and quality was very nice.
Sir, how was your interaction with the spokes and stars in the NPTEL workshop today?
It was very nice interaction because lot of people are coming from different areas and different locations, and we are interacting with each and everyone. So it was a nice journey as well as nice interaction with them.
Sir, how many courses have you completed so far?
I have completed 6 courses, 4 in this semester only, in regular courses like machine learning, deep learning, research methodology, as well as some Python courses.
Sir, how do you think that the NPTEL courses have impacted you?
Yeah, it was very impactful because it was my coursework, PhD coursework was also there, because as we are in this era where time limitation was having very much constant in it is, and we could have the different time frame where as we can take the classes in evening also. That was the very fruitful time because as we are working, so as we are working professionals, so we could not have the time in the regular timing, so we have a very much opportunity to work and study in the evening time.
Sir, would you recommend these NPTEL courses to your students or your fraternity?
Yeah, definitely we are doing it also, as my colleague is the spokesperson of a spoke team and he is also in the same workshop, and we try to give the student in the MOOC courses as from the NPTEL only. We 8 semester students are doing it and we prefer only the NPTEL courses.
So, one word to describe the NPTEL workshop that you're attending today.
Marvelous.
Why marvelous, sir?
Marvelous because the hospitality we are having, and this I came in the first time, so it was a very nice journey, and the things was the visit, I took the visit of the IIT Kanpur and the studio where we are seeing the all the things is going on. Because when you are learning something and you are watching the place where the recording has been done, it was a nice and amazing experience we are having.
So, sir, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate this workshop?
Obviously above 10, but I could not give above 10.
So, what is your message for the NPTEL team, sir?
NPTEL was great work they are doing and great achievement they have achieved, and still lot of more to go.
Thank you so much for your feedback, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello, could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Myself, Bhumi Agrawal. I am from Madhya Pradesh and currently I am pursuing my BTech Computer Science. And during this 4 year of journey, I have done multiple NPTEL courses that are almost 7 to 8 NPTEL courses I have completed. And out of all those, I was the topper of 2 of them. And it was really a great journey.
So, you are a star and you've come to attend the NPTEL SPOC Star Workshop. How has your interaction been with the other people in the event?
Till now, I have met with only 4 and 5 people, and all of them were. It was too good to meet all the people. I have completed 7 to 8 courses till now.
So, how has these NPTEL courses impacted you?
Actually, I have done the courses in the programming languages, and during the journey, I found myself that if I am doing a course, then the speed of learning is fast, as compared to without doing any course. So that was the major thing why I have done multiple courses.
So, how would you describe this workshop in a few words?
It's a great explore, and it's the most important thing to visit the IIT campus. For me, that's it.
How would you rate this workshop on a scale of 1 to 10?
I will rate it 9.5 out of 10.
So, a quick rapid fire because you answered our questions so well. What was the best moment of the workshop?
Meeting so many NPTEL stars and the professors.
One thing that you learned today.
Um,
कोई बात नहीं. What is your message for the NPTEL team?
Keep going, and this thing is too good for the people, those who are learning, either they are student or professor.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So, hello ma'am, my name is Arman Siddiqui. I am from Muradabad, Institute of Technology, Muradabad. I completed my third year and now I am a fourth year student.
इधर ही देखो. How was your interaction with the stars and SPOCs in the event?
So, my interaction was very insightful and enlightening. So, the stars are achievers in most of the fields and the SPOCs are also very great. They provide feedbacks in mostly parts and also guide in every direction.
So, how many courses have you completed so far in NPTEL?
9. I have completed 9 courses till now.
So, how can you say that these courses have impacted you?
These courses are very much impactful towards my life and my personality also. For example, let's take developing soft skills and personality and also enhancing soft skills and personality. They help me identify what I am lacking in my English speaking, my soft skills, and also afterwards we can say speaking effectively and emotional intelligence also. So they help me understand how the industry works, how to understand others, and how to interact with others in different aspects.
How would you recommend NPTEL courses to others like your friends and people?
Yes,
in
of
your
course, I would
fraternity?
recommend my friends and my juniors for. Sorry.
Because मेरा और आपका voice overlap कर
Okay,
रहे हैं ना.
okay, okay.
Would you recommend these courses to others?
Yes, ma'am, absolutely. I would recommend these courses to my friends and even juniors. They help us achieve many things and achieve and also provide us with insights and knowledge also.
So, one word to describe the NPTEL STAR and SPOC workshop, how would you describe it?
Great.
On a scale of 10, how much would you rate the workshop and why?
9.5.
And why?
Because everything is great, but 9.5 is because 0.5 is something I need to check. I haven't got the campus tour yet, but if the campus tour is very helpful or good, I might give it a 10.
Thank you for your feedback, and I would like to ask you that what is your message for the NPTEL team?
My message to NPTEL is that I am very thankful that you are organizing such event on large scale in every semester for helping us gather and interact with each other. Thank you.
I am Group Captain Anupam Tiwari, Senior Fellow, IIT Hyderabad, and I am a learner, trainer, and examiner. I have 28 years of experience in radar and communication, and till date I have done 29 courses from NPTEL with FDPs, and 12 times I was awarded as NPTEL Star, and this time I got NPTEL Superstar. So NPTEL is the best platform in India which is free of cost, and the lectures are taken by IITs and ISC professors, standardized. So I urge all learners, whether they are teacher, trainer, students, to learn from NPTEL because that is the best learning platform available in India, which is free of cost and standardized by IITs. Thank you very much.
Good morning to all of you. Myself, Mohammad Sadiq Khan. from Dadaji Engineering College, Khandwa, Madhya Pradesh, and working as a associate professor in mathematics department.
Sir, you have come to the NPTEL STAR and SPOC workshop. How has your interaction been with everyone?
मैडम वहाँ पे हमने अभी लोकल चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया है और हम लोगों ने अभी बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट को इसके लिए प्रमोट भी किया है और लगभग 156 स्टूडेंट इसके लिए प्रमोट हुए हैं और हम इसका जितनी भी इसकी फैसिलिटीज़ है जो ऑनलाइन कोर्सेस है उसके बारे में हमने बच्चों को थोड़ा सा इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, बताया है और मैंने खुद ने भी स्वयं के बहुत सारे कोर्सेज किए हैं मैडम। इसलिए मैथमेटिक्स और डिस्क्रीट से काफ़ी मैंने कोर्सेज किए हैं वैसे।
So sir, as an SPOC आपने कोर्स करे भी हैं और आप स्टूडेंट्स को अर्ज भी करते हैं कि वो कोर्सेज लें। तो सर आपने अभी तक तकरीबन कितने कोर्सेज किए हैं जिनसे आपको बेनिफिट हुआ है?
मैडम मैंने अभी तक 2 कोर्स किए हैं इसमें। एक स्पेशल मैथमेटिक्स में किया था मैडम 3D पर और एक डिस्क्रीट पे किया था और मैंने बच्चों को अपनी क्लासेस में भी बहुत इंट्रोड्यूस किया, उसके बारे में बताया और उसके बहुत सारे कोर्सेज हैं इसमें स्वयं के, जिसमें मैंने बच्चों को काफ़ी कुछ बताया है मैडम और लगभग 159 के आसपास स्टूडेंट इसमें जुड़े भी हैं।
सर, एक SPOC होने के नाते आपको कैसा लगता है कि NPTEL कोर्सेज बच्चों को कैसे हेल्प?
मैडम बहुत अच्छे तरीके से हेल्प कर रहे हैं बच्चों को और एक्चुअली क्या है कि अगर उनको कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज चाहिए या एक्स्ट्रा सर्टिफिकेट्स चाहिए तो ये प्लेटफॉर्म सबसे अच्छा है स्कोप का और स्वयं का, जिसमें NTPL से काफ़ी अच्छे एडवांस कोर्सेज बच्चे करके इनको प्लेसमेंट में जो मदद मिल रही है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल है मैडम।
सर, क्या बाकी स्टूडेंट्स या अपनी फैकल्टी में रिकमेंड करेंगे?
बिल्कुल मैडम, हमने हमारे जो एक प्रोग्राम रखा था हमने NPTEL अवेयरनेस के लिए, जिसमें हमने बहुत सारी फैकल्टीज़ को इस साल हमने इनरोल करवाया है अभी जो एग्ज़ाम होने वाली है इसके लिए NPTEL के, जिसमें कंप्यूटर साइंस के बहुत सारी फैकल्टीज़ है, मैथमेटिक्स की है और मैकेनिकल की है। ऐसे बहुत सारे लोगों को हमने थोड़ा सा जागरूक किया है और वो अभी इसके लिए अभी जो एग्ज़ाम आने वाली है अभी दिसंबर में उसमें इनरोल हो रहे हैं।
सर, ऑन अ स्केल ऑफ 1 to 10 आप NPTEL SPOC स्टार वर्कशॉप को कितना रेट करना चाहिए?
10 out of 10।
सर, क्यों?
मैडम इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है, शायद अगर हम और कहीं जाके करेंगे इसको तो मैडम वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव रहेगा, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये बहुत कम पैसों में बहुत अच्छा और बहुत बढ़िया कोर्स है ये।
सो मच।
Thank you.
वर्कशॉप है आपको।
थैंक यू मैडम, थैंक यू।
हेलो सर, could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
See, I am Group Captain Anupam Tiwari. I am a Senior Fellow of IIT Hyderabad. I am a working professional and did MTech in Modeling and Simulation from DIIT Pune.
So how was your interaction with the stars and SPOC at the NPTEL workshop today?
See, I started NPTEL courses in September 2021. So it started with faculty development program, but after that I am doing regular courses in across the domain from NPTEL. Till date, I have done 29 courses from NPTEL.
Well, sir, that's a lot of courses for a wonderful NPTEL stars. Could you tell us everyone that how have these courses impacted you?
See, if you see, I am a working professional with 30 years of experience. So in that 30 years, 15 years, I was associated with examination, teaching and learning processes. So I was for a short duration HOD of electronics department, and then I started learning and enjoying these courses, and that is why I did 27 FDPs across the branches from NPTEL.
So would you recommend the NPTEL courses to your friends, fraternity and whoever you meet?
Definitely, this is the free of cost education by quality IIT instructors. So these are the best courses I have seen on online platform in India. So I urge all learners, all students to update and enroll and do NPTEL courses because they are very standard, done by IIT and ISC professors. So, and the best part is they are free of cost. If you do these courses from another private, what you say, Coursera and all, so lot of money you have to give. So that is why I urge all learners, passionate learners, students particularly, to enroll and do courses from NPTEL.
So one word to describe the NPTEL workshop.
NPTEL is the best, and workshop is always better because we interact, we learn from each other, and it is always better to come in IIT and to refresh your memories.
Thank you so much for your feedback, sir. Thank you for giving us your time. Very nice of you. Thank you.
Thank you. And one thing I want to tell, I have done 29 courses, and many courses, they are very, very relevant, updated, which we have not studied in our engineering or MTech level. So if you want to update your stream, so definitely NPTEL is the best option. And 12 times I was given as a star category, and this time I was given as a superstar, NPTEL superstar, which is very, very good to feel about, and I am thankful for NPTEL to give me opportunity to join this felicitation program. Thank you.
Hello. Could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Good morning, everyone. My name is S. Vishwakarma. I am from Renukut Sonbhadra, and currently I am pursuing BTech Computer Science from GLA University, Mathura.
You have come to the NPTEL SPOC Start workshop. How has your interaction been during this event?
So this event is very very good for one's experience, as we get exposure to meet new people and create our network so that we can learn from everyone.
How many courses have you completed so far on NPTEL?
Till now, I have completed 6 courses, including leadership, e-business, organizational behavior, and software engineering.
Do you think these courses have impacted you well?
Yes, the courses which I have completed has helped me in significant ways, as by learning leadership quality, which have helped me to guide few projects in my college, and by e-business I have gained some market experience of how the things work in real world, and by organizational behavior I know how to behave in a certain way, and I have also completed in ethics in engineering, which had helped me a lot during some projects presentations.
Would you recommend NPTEL to your fellow students or people you meet?
Yes, I would definitely recommend this course, as they are very helpful apart from our college academics courses.
Can you describe the NPTEL workshop in one word? How would you describe it?
Brilliant.
You can say something along with it.
Brilliant. Brilliant cause it helps us to get some exposure, and by attending this workshop we will learn new things and meet new people so that we can get an exposure in the market and real world.
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you like to rate this work?
I would like to rate of 10 on 10. It's very good.
Okay, so because you answered our questions so well, we have a very quick rapid fire for you.
Okay.
So, all the answers should be in one word. Rate the NPTEL workshop on a scale of 1 to 5.
5.
What is the best moment of the workshop?
Interaction with you.
One thing that you will be learning today or you have learned today.
Meeting new people and creating connections basically.
What is your message for the NPTEL?
The event is very good, and I would like that you should continue this event in future also.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello, Sakshi. Would you introduce yourself to our viewers?
Yeah, of course. So myself, Sakshi Jha. I am currently pursuing BTech CS from GLA University, Mathura. And basically, I belong to Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. And I am very much excited to attend this workshop.
So Sakshi, how has your interaction been in the NPTEL SPOC and STAR workshop?
Ma'am, it's being commendable because the stars here are really experienced. Some of the stars are really experienced. They have done so many courses in NEPTEL, and I believe that their experiences taught me a lot.
So Sakshi, how many courses have you completed so far?
Ma'am, I have done 8 courses so far, and my journey to this NEPTEL courses is being very much excitedful because I have learned a lot from this.
How can you say that the NPTEL courses have impacted you?
Ma'am, first of all, I think that the consistency, because they give you regular basis assignments, and that when you solve those assignments, it's like you have a consistency in the learning process, and that's what I really loved about NEPTEL.
Would you recommend the NPTEL courses to your friends and people in your fraternity?
Yeah, of course, they should go ahead and do these courses. It will be very much grateful and very much learnable, I think, for them.
Sakshi, how would you describe the NBTL SPOC STAR workshop in one word?
Ma'am, I think it's just mesmerizing.
How would you scale this workshop on a scale of 1 to 10?
Surely 10 out of 10 because it's really good to be here.
So Sakshi, because you interacted so well with us, we have a quick rapid fire for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Rate this workshop on a scale of 1 to 5.
Ma'am, I think it's 5 on 5.
Best moment of the workshop.
To meet the people who are really so much great and they have a lot of knowledge. I am very much excited to meet more people here.
One thing that you learned today at the NPTEL workshop event.
That journey is very long to go ahead, but these NEPTEL courses are really meant for you, and you should go ahead and enjoy the moment.
What is your message for the NPTEL team?
That you are doing a great job. Keep going.
Thank you so much, Sakshi.
Thank you.
Hey everyone, myself Kripansh. I'm from Indore, Madhya Pradesh, the cleanest city of India, heart of India. I'm from Sri Vaishnav Vidyapit Vishwavidyalaya. I'm pursuing Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science domain. I have opted for NPTEL for 12 courses, and I am chosen as a star in 6 different categories. I am currently working as a professional DevOps engineer at Impetus and ClearTrail Technologies Private Limited.
That's amazing. But I would like to know that how was your interaction with the other STAR and SPOCs during this NPTEL event?
It was a wonderful experience. By interacting with multiple stars and SPOCs, I get to know about different cities and how their culture works, and how the courses in their college are designed, and in my what are the differences, tech stack differences, and other things.
Could you tell us once again that how many NPTEL courses you have done?
I have completed 12 NPTEL courses.
How have these NPTEL courses impacted you?
These NPTEL courses have a major impact on my professional career, because through these 12 courses, I got internship at IIT, one of the IIT, which is a main point in my resume, main broad point on my resume, and through these, in my at the end of my 3rd year only, I have completed my internship at IIT Delhi, and it was a joint project of IIT Kharagpur and IIT Delhi. So it was a wonderful experience.
Would you recommend these NPTEL courses to your fellow students and friends?
Yes, absolutely. I have recommended many of the courses to my colleagues, friends, and even juniors also.
One word to describe the NPTEL STAR SPOC workshop at IIT Kanpur.
Amazing.
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate this workshop?
10 on 10.
Okay, why would you rate it 10 on 10?
Because everything is so professionally managed. Like you have created the WhatsApp groups, and even promptly again and again replying to the same queries. Like if I compare it to myself,
I am a GDSE lead from in my college, GDSE cloud lead to be precise. So in my college, when we organize such events, there are so many students juniors asking the same doubts again and again, and we at a point we got so irritated that we just changed the group setting to only admins can send the messages. But here no such activities performed, and on a large scale, so many queries are replied, and in within 5 to 10 minutes Professor Angana ma'am has replied to every query, each and every query in a very professional manner. So the management is highly appreciable.
So because you answered all our questions so nicely, so because your interaction was so good, let me ask a quick rapid fire.
Sure.
Rate this workshop on a scale of 1 to 5.
4.55.
Okay. Best moment of the workshop.
The whole workshop.
One thing that you learned today as an NPTEL staff.
Never ever miss opportunity to attend the workshops. Like in my whole BTech, I got 4 opportunity to attend this workshop, and I only came this one time. Sorry. Each and every time there is some, I got stuck in some other work. So because of that, every time I missed the opportunity to attend the workshop. But yes, here I am in the final show.
Your message to the NPTEL team.
Keep it up. Great work. You are delivering highly qualified material, highly qualified content to on an open online source, which is currently now in today also. It is beating the content of like Coursera and many other paid courses, which you guys are providing for free. So actually, like, it is really appreciable.
Thank you so much for interacting with us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
My name is Isha Gupta. I am from GRA University, Mathura, and I am a final year student, and I am from Kanpur.
How was your interaction with the other stars and SPOCs during the NPTEL workshop?
It is nice to meet all of them. We really love the environment here. It was my first time visiting IIT Kanpur, and it was nice to meet every professor and listen to them entire the workshop.
Has NPTEL courses impacted you well?
Yes, it was a great journey learning from the NPTEL courses, and I have so far completed 7 courses, and through each one of them I have had different learnings, and they are very helpful to me.
Would you recommend NPTEL courses to your friends and fraternity?
Yes, I will recommend them to my friends because they provide us great learnings and education.
One word to describe the NPTEL Star SPOC workshop that you are attending today.
It was outstanding and helpful for all of us. Thank you.
Myself, Dr. Nagin Kumar Swarnkar. I am Dean Academics and Professor in Gyan Vihar University, Jaipur.
Sir, you are attending the NPTEL SPOC Star workshop as an SPOC.
Yes, ma'am.
How has your interaction been with everyone?
Means, ma'am, I have very good experience with this. Means, this IIT Kanpur is the mentor of our university or the Rajasthan state. Okay, and these all courses are very fantastic. Means I have already completed 3 or 4 courses from NPTEL, and every year our student enrolled in these courses. Last year we have more than 100 of students who enrolled in these courses, and also we are using the credit transfer scheme for those students.
Many courses which can actually inspire students of.
No, I have completed 3, but this year I have enrolled myself for 2 courses more.
In the NPTEL courses impact students.
Ma'am, these courses are very important for the students because many students want to study in IITs, but they don't have due to this JEE entrance exams, they are not able to choose IIT, and therefore they come to the private universities. And this time, these courses are very helpful for them. Means the IIT professors are teaching them. This is very important for them also.
Do you recommend these courses in NPTEL?
Ma'am, as we are the local chapter of the university and this NPTEL, and therefore we motivate the students, and we help them each and every aspect, like how to fill the form and how to use the credit transfer of any subjects. Yes, yes, ma'am, sure, ma'am.
So, on a scale of 1 to how would you plan?
Definitely 10, ma'am.
Why 10 out?
Means each and everything's are very good. Means not only this workshop, also because I myself completed many courses, so I must say that this is very important and must give 10 out of 10.
Because you answered all our questions so nicely, your cooperation was so good. We have a very quick rapid fire for you. So the rapid fire starts now. Rate the NPTEL SPOC Star Workshop on a scale of 1 to 5.
5.
Best moment of the workshop.
Ma'am, I came here with IIT Kanpur. It is very important.
One thing that you learned as an SPOC.
Means I have connected many of people's, means all the academic staffs entire the country, you know.
Your message for NPTEL.
All are very good, fantastic, and that's all. Thank you, ma'am.
Namaskar, I am Professor Dr. Amirud Upadhyay, SPOC of Lakshmi Narayan College of Technology and Science, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. My journey with NPTEL started in 2016 when our Honorable Secretary Dr. Anupam Chokshi sir motivated us to open NPTEL local chapter, and since then I am coming here regularly, and I have done more than 60 NPTEL courses, and I have recognized the 19th times NPTEL star in different categories, and this time I have completed psychology domain, and previously I have done domain in advanced faculty. I think study of psychology is very crucial for teachers, as it equips teachers to understand students' diverse learning needs, motivations, and behavior. So ultimately, study of psychology leading to better student outcome and improved and effective teaching. So it is very crucial for teaching learning process, and teachers can create a more effective, creative, and stimulating environment for students in classrooms. I salute team NPTEL for organizing these courses in very well organized manner, and I think it is a river of knowledge like a Ganga Ma. So everyone has to plunge into this knowledge river, and I believe in Shraddhavan Lapte Jnanam. Namaskar.
Sir, how has your experience been regarding this workshop on a scale of 1 to 10?
10 to 10 मैं आता ही इसलिए हूँ कि यहाँ से मैं एनर्जी, ज्ञान और एक ऊर्जा लेकर जाऊँ सकारात्मक, जिससे कि मैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स और फैकल्टी को अपने कॉलेज में मोटिवेट कर सकूँ, इसलिए मैं यहाँ लगातार आता हूँ.
Sir, what has been the best moment of this workshop?
बेस्ट वर्कशॉप मोमेंट वी कैन से जब हमें रिकॉग्नाइज किया जाता है NPTEL के द्वारा और हमें मौका मिलता है दूसरे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं और टीचर्स हैं उनकी बातें सुनकर मोटिवेट होने का.
Sir, whenever you need help regarding anything, do you get the help from the NPTEL team?
Yeah.
If you ever need help, do you get the required help? from
Yes,
the
yes,
NPTEL?
always I get help from NPTEL team whenever I require.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is your message for the NPTEL team?
NPTEL टीम से तो हम मैसेज लेते हैं, हम मोटिवेट होते हैं, बहुत ही वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड और एनर्जी के साथ वे अपना काम कर रहे हैं। हम पूरे स्टूडेंट्स जो भारत के उनसे कहेंगे कि एक स्वदेशी मूक्स है, मेसियो ओपन ऑनलाइन कोर्स है, और सभी को इसे अडॉप्ट करना चाहिए, और जिससे कि नॉलेज के साथ साथ उनको एक नॉलेज से जो कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा और जो हैप्पीनेस जो आती है वो उसको फील कर सकेंगे।
Hello, sir. Could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Okay. Myself, Dr. Sanjeev Kumar, and I am SPOC from Graphic Area University, Dehradun.
Sir, you are attending this event as an SPOC.
Yes.
What is your experience regarding the NPTEL STAR and SPOC workshop?
Ma'am, this is my third workshop. So I started from last year as a SPOC. I have joined my university, and we are beyond that 200 rating. But once I have taken that, now we are top 30th position in this time. Last year we are at 192nd position. This is very much beneficial for our student, and I have seen that the students have some fear about the courses from our professors from IIT, but with proper awareness and motivation, now you can see we are at 30th position in the all over India.
Sir, how do you feel when your students take up NPTEL courses and they do well in that? So how do you feel and how do you urge them to take more courses?
It feels proud, ma'am. We all feel proud, and we have given it to many newspapers. They have posted in various places, and with that, students actually get motivated. And the course content, now they are learning from the top-notch educationists of the India. So they are all benefited from this, and now the situation is that students are asking before the semester exam, sir, which course we are going to take in this semester.
So, one word to describe the NPTEL STAR SPOC workshop.
This is the awesome workshop, ma'am, and I must comment that this is what the students are getting, which they could not due to some means.
So, what is your message as an SPOC to students and NPTEL team members also, that how we can make things better?
Ma'am, this is possible only the dedicated work from the NPTEL, all the NPTEL members. We just post a query, and within a minute we get the resolution of that. So hats off to all the members of NPOC team, and I urge all the students. We are now at 30, but we targeted to come in the within top 10 institution.
So, some quick rapid fire, because you answered all the questions really well.
Yes,
You gave us a very positive response.
Yes.
Quick rapid fire.
Yeah,
So, rate this workshop on a scale of 1 to 5.
it's fine.
And the best moment of the NPTEL SPOC STAR workshop.
Best moment to felicitate on the stage by the professors of IIT.
So, one thing you think you will learn today from this workshop as a SPOC?
Actually, every faculty can learn. Anyone can learn through this NPTEL workshop and the courses which are floated by NPTEL.
What is your message for the NPTEL team, sir?
No message, ma'am. They are doing really well because we have not faced any problem. I told you that we are posting some query and within a minute we get the resolution. So there is no lacking from NPTEL team.
Thank you for your wonderful feedback, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
गुड इवनिंग, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर रवीश अग्रवाल है। मैं राष्ट्रीय इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट टेक्नोलॉजी में डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में वर्क कर रहा हूँ एज ए हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट।
सर, NPTEL स्टार एंड स्पोर्ट वर्कशॉप में आपका इंटरेक्शन सब लोगों से कैसा रहा? आपको मिलकर सबसे कैसा लगा?
मेरा इंटरेक्शन बहुत अच्छा रहा और मैं 2017 से इस तरीके की वर्कशॉप में हमेशा जाता रहा हूँ। तो मेरा आने का मोटिवेशन ही ये होता है कि जब मैं यहाँ लोगों से मिलता हूँ तो ओल्ड एज के पर्सन भी मुझे मिलते हैं और यंगस्टर्स भी मिलते हैं जो कोर्सेज़ कर रहे हैं। जैसा कि मैं अपने बारे में बताना चाहूँगा, मैंने मोर देन 55 प्लस कोर्सेज़ किए हुए हैं NPTEL से। 2017 में जब मैंने पहला कोर्स सॉफ्ट स्किल का ज्वाइन किया था, उसके बाद आज भी मैंने एक सॉफ्ट स्किल का कोर्स कंप्लीट किया है इस सेमेस्टर। तो मैं बहुत सारी चेंजेस देख रहा हूँ कि क्वालिटी में बहुत सारी चेंजेस है। जहाँ मैं पहले बिना पढ़े पेपर दे लेता था, अब तो मुझे ज़रूरत लगती है कि नहीं बाकी आप पढ़ाई में मैंने 55 प्लस कोर्सेज में आज की डेट में कंप्लीट कर चुका हूँ और मैं 15 से ज़्यादा मेरे पास स्टार सर्टिफिकेशन है। तो अब जो मैं देखना चाह रहा हूँ NPTEL को मैं ग्लोबल स्केल पे देखना चाह रहा हूँ। अभी तक NPTEL इंडिया में बहुत अच्छे तरीके से अपने पैर जमा चुका है। अब मैं चाहूँगा कि ग्लोबल लेवल पे भी अपना वर्कआउट करे। यहाँ की केवल जो इंडिया की मोस्ट फेमस फैकल्टी है IIT की हो या NIT की हो, वो कोर्सेज ऑफर कर रही है। मैं चाहता हूँ कि ग्लोबल लेवल पर भी जो फैकल्टी मेंबर्स हैं वो NPTEL के साथ जुड़े, उनके लिए कोर्स डिजाइन करें और हम साथ में ग्लोबल जो यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं लाइक हार्वर्ड हुए, तो उनके साथ मिलके IIT हमको सर्टिफिकेशन दे। तो ये मैं कुछ ग्लोबल लेवल पे चाहता हूँ। डेफिनेटली जो मेरा सबसे ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर रहा वो नॉलेज इन्हेंसमेंट में रहा है। ऑब्वियसली मैंने डिफरेंट डोमेन सर्टिफिकेशन किए हैं, डिसिप्लिन स्टार भी रहा हूँ। तो जितने भी ये कोर्सेज़ किए हुए हैं तो उससे मेरी नॉलेज बहुत एक्सपेंड हुई है और वो कहीं ना कहीं मेरी टीचिंग में रिफ्लेक्ट होती है। और जब मैं यहाँ पर आता हूँ तो मैं हर तरीके के लोगों से मिलता हूँ, तो मेरा मोटिवेशन बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ता है। और जब मोटिवेशन बढ़ता है तो मैं उसी मोटिवेशन को अपने स्टूडेंट के बीच में इनकलकेट करता हूँ।
So, one word to describe the NPTEL workshop that you attended today. अगर आपके दिमाग में एक शब्द ऐसा आता है तो प्लीज शेयर करें।
मोटिवेशन, लर्निंग, नॉलेज, एक्सपीरियंस।
और सर आप 1 to 10 के स्केल पे इस वर्कशॉप को क्या मार्क्स देना?
डेफिनेटली 10 आउट ऑफ 10। अगर मैं ज़्यादा नंबर भी दे सकता तो डेफिनेटली मैं ज़्यादा नंबर देता।
सर NPTEL टीम के लिए एक मैसेज जिससे हमको भी मोटिवेशन मिले कि ताकि हम आगे अच्छा काम करें।
डेफिनेटली मैं बिल्कुल बधाई देना चाहूँगा पूरी NPTEL टीम को जो इतना अच्छा वर्क कर रही है। और क्योंकि मैंने जैसा अभी पहले कहा कि NPTEL टीम ऑल ओवर इंडिया में अपनी पैठ बहुत अच्छी तरीके से जमा चुकी है। अब मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो ग्लोबल स्केल पे भी काम करना शुरू करें और जो ग्लोबल लेवल के जो प्रोफेसर है जो अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी में काम कर रहे हैं उनके साथ मिलके उन प्रोफेसर को इनवाइट करें कि वो कोर्स IIT के लिए डिजाइन करें और हम लोगों को उनसे भी सीखने का मौका मिले।
Hello Shobit, could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Good evening everyone. My name is Shobit Singh and I have just graduated from PSIT Kanpur. I belong to this city only and it's been an honor to be here.
So Shobit, how was your interaction with the other stars and spokes during the NPTEL workshop?
The workshop was really amazing. We got up early morning and we got ample amount of time to interact with all the stars, and also we visited this majestic campus of IIT Kanpur, and it was a great learning experience. It was a very great learning experience because I got to know that so many people are doing these courses. Because when I used to do this course, people used to think that it's not a very popular course in our college, but nowadays it has gained very popularity because our college has recognized it and they also appreciate and applaud us. So I think it's gaining quite a lot of popularity nowadays.
So how many courses have you done in all?
In total, I have done 5 courses in my core subject, that is computer science. I have done programming in Java, data structures using Java, then Python and various other courses, and it has really helped me to enhance my knowledge.
So, Shobit, what do you feel is the impact of these courses, the NPTEL courses, on your personal growth?
I think the biggest impact is the amount of knowledge that we get from these courses is really great. Whatever is being taught in our college is good, but to get to study from a professor at IIT is always a dream of everyone. So you get that in-depth knowledge in true sense, because whenever we are studying in college, there is a lecture which sometimes happens, sometimes doesn't happen. But in NPTEL, you can learn at your own pace. You can rewind the videos, and I think it's a very good platform for us.
So, Shobit, will you recommend NPTEL? So, Shobit, will you recommend the NPTEL courses to others, like your friends and your people in your fraternity?
Yeah, I would definitely recommend these courses to anyone who is looking to upskill, as we are living in a very unpredictable and very fast-paced world. So I think it's very important to upskill yourself, and it will be highly recommended for everyone to join these courses and upskill yourself.
So, one word to describe the NPTEL workshop that you attended today.
I think it was truly magical. Yeah.
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you scale this workshop, or how much would you rate this workshop?
I'll rate this 10 on 10 because it was really good. The arrangements were very smooth and everything was superb. Thank you so much.
What is your message for the NPTEL team who are like working behind the scenes to make
Yeah.
things possible to get these courses available for everyone across the country?
I would like to applaud everyone, right from the professors who are delivering this course, to the cameramen, to the faculty members, to the TAs, to the editors, and everyone who is somewhere or the other in the background working day and night so that these courses can be delivered in time and it can reach to millions of people, and it is benefiting a lot of us. So keep doing the good work. Thank you so much for your help.
Could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Yeah, bilkul. Wonderful afternoon, everyone. And I am Lucky Kangek from Panipat. And I have recently passed out BTech in Textile Engineering from Pike College, which means Panipat Institute of Engineering and Technology from Panipat. And I have recently joined Quality Department in GBKL Bhiwani as a textile trainee, there.
So, Lucky, how has your interaction been with the other stars and SPOC in the NPTEL workshop?
It was very good, and I have learned a lot of things: how to speak, how to introduce yourself, how to connect audience during your speaking. So these are the things which I have learned here, and I am very fortunate to be in IIT Kanpur. It is my first time, and I want to be here many more times if you invited me.
So, Lucky, how many courses have you completed so far?
I have completed around 8 courses from Design PKL, Swam PKL, and 2 from IIT Kanpur. Our T. Ravichandran sir, developing soft skills and personality. I love that. And 2 courses from IIT Madras, German 1, German 2, and 4 courses from IIT Delhi in textile domain.
So, Lucky, how have these courses impacted you personally in your career or your education?
During my bachelor's, I was CR. I was, as you know, it is a class representative. And if you want to be different in your education, in society, then you have to do something different. And it is NPTEL which provides me a lot of opportunity to be different. And I like this. If you want to be one from 8 billion, then you have to do NPTEL. I recommend this.
So, Lucky, how would you describe this workshop in one word?
I want to say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, which means extremely amazing. Okay, thank you so much. And one more thing I want to share, as I recognize as an NPTEL star, I want to dedicate this star title to my mother, who supports me, and my HOD, Dr. Sudarshan Nameja, and my college, Panipat Institute of Engineering and Technology. Even though my company also, I have recently joined GBKL and their HR department. Thank you so much.
सर, हमें बहुत खुशी होगी अगर आप अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करें।
मैम, मेरा नाम मणिपाल सिंह है। मैं एक PhD स्कॉलर हूँ और मैं जो मेरा कॉलेज है वो MNIT भोपाल है और मैंने 4 कोर्सेज किए अभी रिसेंटली NPTEL से, जो कि उन कोर्सों ने मुझे काफ़ी हेल्प की है। और मैं आगरा से बिलोंग करता हूँ और मैं सजेस्ट करता हूँ काफ़ी और लोगों के लिए भी, क्योंकि NPTEL एक ऐसा लर्निंग कोर्स है जो कि हम फ्रीली कर सकते हैं उसको, और काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें उसमें सीखने के लिए हम मतलब उसमें से कई सारे डोमेन्स के बारे में कई सारे हमारे पास सब्जेक्ट हैं, हम उनके लिए वहाँ पर सीख सकते हैं। तो ये हर एक स्टूडेंट के लिए कंपलसरी है और ये कंपलसरी कर देना चाहिए हर यूनिवर्सिटी में, क्योंकि एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है।
सर, यहाँ पे सर NPTEL वर्कशॉप में आपको स्पोर्ट्स और स्टार्स के साथ मिलकर उनसे बात करके कैसा लगा?
मैम, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। मैंने देखा कि यहाँ पर जो स्टार्स हैं, मतलब मैंने देखा यहाँ पर 50, 65, 20, 25 इतने सारे कोर्सेज किए हुए हैं उन स्टार्स ने। तो मैं ये तो मतलब काफ़ी बड़ा अचीवमेंट है कि उन लोगों ने इतने सारे कोर्सेज किए हैं इसमें, और मैं भी आगे और ज़्यादा कोर्सेज करूँगा और एज अ बीइंग स्टार और जो भी जितनी कैटेगरी है वो सारी मैं अचीव करूँगा।
सर, आपने अभी तक कितने NPTEL के कोर्सेज किए?
मैम, मैं 5 कोर्सेज कर चुका हूँ और अभी 4 कोर्सेज फिर से मैं एनरोल कर रहा हूँ इस वाले सेशन में, तो टोटल मिला के मेरे नेक्स्ट ईयर तक 9 कोर्स हो जाएंगे।
सर इन कोर्सेज का इम्पैक्ट क्या है? आप इन कोर्सेज का अपनी लाइफ पे क्या इम्पैक्ट महसूस करते हैं?
मैम एक्चुअली में अगर मैं अपना पर्सनली बताऊं तो क्या है कि एक रिसर्च पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ये कोर्सेज बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हैं, और अगर हम प्रैक्टिकली लाइफ में देखें तो जैसे कि अभी सर ने बताया था, जो भी इंडियन आर्मी में से उन्होंने बताया था कि सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट के बारे में बहुत अच्छी तरीके से बताया हुआ है आईआईटी मद्रास के प्रोफेसर ने। तो मतलब हमारे सराउंडिंग्स में जितनी चीज़ें हैं हम उनको भी क्या कर सकते हैं, उन पर काफ़ी जो चीज़ों की जानकारी ले सकते हैं और काफ़ी चीज़ें जान सकते हैं। बहुत कई सारी लर्निंग्स हैं उधर।
सर आप क्या अपने फ्रेंड्स फ्रेटर्निटी एनपीटीईएल के कोर्सेज के बारे में बताना चाहेंगे कि वही कोर्सेज लें?
हाँ जरूर, मैं बिल्कुल बताऊंगा। मैं तो कहता हूँ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग जुड़ने चाहिए, जिससे कि क्या उनको पता लगेगा इसके बारे में, उनकी लर्निंग स्किल्स बढ़ेंगी। क्योंकि इतने सारे गूगल पे सर्च करते हैं लोग, टॉपिक्स बुक्स देखते हैं, लेकिन वो नॉलेज वो गेन नहीं कर पाते जो कि हमें एनपीटीईएल से मिलती है। एनपीटीईएल मीन्स मतलब ऑल अराउंड जो नॉलेज हमें प्रोवाइड करा।
सर if you have to describe this workshop in one word, एक शब्द में अगर आप इस वर्कशॉप को डिस्क्राइब करना चाहते हो कैसे डिस्क्राइब करें?
मैं वन वर्ड में अगर करूँ तो मैं यही कहूँगा कि अमेजिंग।
Why amazing? Amazing क्यों?
Amazing means better knowledge and better understanding between your courses and your future.
So on a scale of 1 to 10 आप इस वर्कशॉप को क्या स्कोर देंगे?
मैं तो 10 out of 11 दे दूँ, बट जो दे नहीं सकता 10 out of 10 ही दे सकता हूँ।
So Ritika, how was your interaction with the SPOC and stars during the workshop?
It was a great interaction. I actually learned a lot about it today. I am very new to the NEPTEL platform, and actually I used to think my curriculum is not that detailed, and I wanted to learn a lot about other topics as well. So my faculty actually introduced me that to this platform. They suggested that I should join this platform and learn a lot about it. So not only was I able to learn in great detail about certain things, it also broadened my horizon about a lot of specialized topics, and it's been a great experience. Yeah.
So Ritika, how many courses have you completed so far to complete your knowledge regarding whatever you wish to learn?
This semester I've completed 6, and last semester I completed 3. Out of that, I think I've registered for 7-8 exams, and the rest was just for knowledge.
So how have these NPTEL courses impacted you personally?
I think NPTEL courses have led to professional as well as personal growth as well. And professionally, because there were some aspects I did not know how to connect my 2 specializations. Let me tell you that. So this was very helpful to me, and personally I also felt that it enriched the learning culture within the college and within the students as well. So yeah, that's it.
So would you recommend these NPTEL courses to your fellow students? And
I do. Yeah, I recommend all the students, my juniors, some of my seniors, and anybody who wishes to learn and actually want to know about anything. So this is actually a background independent. You don't have to be a science student to learn about you don't have to be a science student to learn about engineering topics. You can learn whatever you want, whichever you want, at your own pace.
So one word to describe the NPTEL workshop that you attended today.
Enriching.
And why do you call it enriching? Why do you say so?
It was enriching because it helped me a lot, and it actually guided me through various aspects, and this workshop and the courses and the workshop. So it has been a very great learning experience. So I'll call it enriching.
Hello Shalini, could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Hello everyone, I'm Shalini, working as an assistant manager at Grant Thornton Bharat. So that's and today I'm here to attend the NPTEL STAR workshop at IIT Kanpur.
Shalini, how was your interaction with the stars and the spokes during the event?
My interaction with stars and spokes is amazing. I met Bharti ma'am and the director of IIT Kanpur and other teachers and professors. I learned a lot from all of them in person meeting.
So Bharti, how many courses have you completed so far in NPTEL?
I got like I have completed around 6 to 7 courses, and this time I honored with a discipline star in the computer science domain. I'm looking forward to get domain scholar in the next session.
So, Shalini, how do you feel that these NPTEL courses have impacted you personally?
So I started my journey in 2023. I took a random course on Python for data science because I want a certification from IIT. So I just Googled it and I got that NPTEL is providing this course from IIT Madras. I wrote that exam and I was topper in that exam, and then my journey started. And today I'm as a discipline star attending this workshop at IIT Kanpur. So it's an amazing experience and it helped me a lot. I got promotion in my previous organization. Even in my current organization, I received a lot of appreciation from my senior team and leadership team for doing upskilling.
So, Shalini, would you recommend these NPTEL courses to your friends or your fraternity?
Yes, I would like to recommend these courses, those who are looking to upskill themselves in a better way. It's not only about that you have to learn for a specific domain, because people are from electrical learning, computer science, I'm itself from a computer science domain and I have learned several courses from management domain. I have completed HR analytics, and you will learn a lot of diverse courses and it's help you to grow your career personally as well as professionally.
So, Shalini, one word to describe the SPOC and STAR NPTEL workshop.
So I would like to take a moment to appreciate the efforts they have put it to coordinate with us, like resolving each and every query on the WhatsApp very patiently. So I learned a lot, that being at a very senior professionals at an institution like IIT Kanpur, but they resolved everyone query so patiently. So I learned a lot from them and it's a very good experience, and I'm looking forward to meet them again very soon.
So, Shalini, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you like to rate this workshop?
It's 10 on 10 for me and I really enjoyed this workshop.
Hello, Sumiran. Could you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Sumiran, and I have completed my masters and I'm going to do a PhD in design from IIT Kanpur only.
So, Sumiran, how was your interaction with the other stars and sports that were there in the workshop today?
Okay, so the interaction was quite fun. I have really enjoyed it, and all the participants are really very curious and they all are very creative, and it was fun for me and nice experience.
So, Sumiran, how many courses have you opted for in NPTEL?
Okay, so basically, ma'am, I have opted 2 courses. First one is Introduction to Psychology, which was by Professor Braj Bhushan sir, and the another was Psychology in Stress and Well-being. It was by Dilwar Hussain sir from IIT Guwahati.
Okay, so Sumiran, how have these courses impacted you as a student, and especially as a PhD student?
Okay, so I think the courses were very self-paced learning. First, this was the best thing. I can do it from wherever I want with my own self, and the courses builds foundation. Basically, they build the basically foundation of the subject. So it was very easy for me to go further for the upcoming my classes and courses. So it was very helpful for me.
So, Sumiran, would you recommend these NPTEL courses to your student friends and maybe people from your educational fraternity?
Okay. Yes, I would definitely recommend to all of my friends and whoever the acquaintances, and I have already mentioned them and also tell them that you should, once in a life you should do this, because these are skill based learning. You will definitely see a personality change in by doing these courses, and the faculties were also very nice and there were doubt clearing sessions, so you can just put the doubt and the faculty will give the feedbacks also. So it was very nice and a very fulfilling experience for me. I would definitely recommend.
So, Sumiran, how would you describe this workshop in one word? How would you describe it?
I think it is phenomenal,
And why phenomenal? Why would you say so?
Because the NPTEL members and faculties and all the participants, I feel they all are very enthusiastic, and they are providing us a very like comfort and warm welcoming. They are very welcoming also. So this is the thing. So
So thank you, Sumiran, for your feedback. And one last question: what is your message for the NPTEL team who are bringing these lectures, these courses for all of us, all of them?
So I would like to say that the team is very interactive and very helpful, and they should bring more such courses like this so that students and learners would be benefited by this. Thank you.